Good morning student, here it is the next video lecture, next consecutive video lecture related with the data series concept. The object data series is an object in Python and it is a one-dimensional structure. One-dimensional means one column is there in the series and the series contain homogeneous values, means the values that are there, the data item that are there inside the series are of a same data type. Right? Now, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about how to access data series in Python. Access means how to display, or we can say how to print the series on the monitor. Suppose one series is there inside a series variable, and what are the different aspects, what are the different commands by which you can display the series object on the monitor. This is our today's topic. Clear? Now just see, if you want to show the series on the monitor, very first just see, I am going to take one example here. One series is created in Python and the name of this series variable is ser. It is the series variable, and if you want to see what is there inside the series, this series holds integer data. Integer, just see, it is the data part of the series 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Non-decimal values means the data type of the series. It is integer 64. Right? Now, and the other thing, this is the data part. Second thing is the index of the series. It is also given A, B, C, D, E. These are the index position, indexes of different series data elements. Right? You can give your individual index also. We discussed already in the previous video how to give our index value to the data element of the series. And if you do not supply the index positions, then by default computer arrange the index according to the whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this one only. Right? Now the series variable is created, it is there in your Python. Now the very first command, or we can say the universal command to display the overall series, completely series element will be there on the monitor. The universal command for that is, you just use your print command, the most popular print command of Python, and with this print just write the series variable print ser. Clear? When you supply the same command, when you supply the command, overall series will be there on the monitor. Yes, यहाँ पे line मैंने अपनी तरफ से खींची है for the understanding of the concept, right? Computer lining show नहीं करेगा, computer direct data show करेगा. So it is the universal command. If you supply print with the series variable, the series will be printed on the monitor. Clear? It is the overall printing of the series. Now we are going to discuss about this point very first by using positions. What is the position of the data item in this series? पहले ये बात डिस्कस करते हैं. Position की बात करें in Python, we are having forward indexing, we are having backward indexing. अपन ने list create की, tuple create के, in list, tuple, in string, two different type of this indexings are there. The very first, it is known as forward indexing. अब forward indexing क्या होती है? कोई भी आपका object, the very first element of the object, it is at the 0th position, then first position, then second position, then third position, then fourth position. It is known as forward indexing. It starts from 0, from top to bottom, and increase one by one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now what is the backward indexing? याद करो, string that is there in class 11 syllabus. String backward indexing always starts from -1. तो ये 50 जो होगा backward indexing में इसका नंबर हो जाएगा -1, ये हो जाएगा -2, then this is -3, -4, -5. The first one is known as forward indexing. it is always in positive value. The second one is known as backward indexing. Here, indexing starts from the last element of the series, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Right? These are known as position. Right? Now, suppose if you want to see which particular element is there on the second position of the series. Second position means this one. Which element is there on the second position of the series? Then the command should be, just see my command is print. I just apply print command, bracket, series variable SCR, then this big bracket and 2. Just check it out. The same thing that is there in string also, it is there in list also, it is there in tuple also. Right? SCR bracket 2. If you supply this command, computer will show the second position element on the monitor, means here the output is 30. Here in the first line the output is entire series. Right? Now just see, if I supply this command, my third command is print, and here I am using SER -1. -1, it is the backward indexing. -1 means what? -1 means computer will show -1 means 50. 50 is there on the monitor. Clear? This is the slide is known as, we are going to show the series in the according to the position of the data elements. Clear? Okay. Now the next thing, when your series variable use index position, it means it supports slicing also. Slicing concept, the same concept is there in your class 12 half yearly examination, print command with slicing of the string. You can use slicing with the series object also. Open discuss करेंगे at the third point what is slicing and how we can use the slicing in the series object. Now, right? So these three commands are related with print the series by using position. अब दूसरी बात करते हैं, by using index और by using label. अब इस पूरी सीरीज में लेबल या इंडेक्स क्या है? Just see, A, B, C, D, E. These are the index of the series, or we can say these are the labels of the data item of the series. Right? You can use these labels also while printing the series element. Just see कैसे यूज करना है print. ये मैंने दिया SER ब्रैकेट लगाया. Now I want to show the data element that is there on the index position C. तो मैं क्या लगाऊंगा यहाँ पे inverted comma and then C. Just see क्या प्रिंट होना है? 30 is there on the monitor. Right? Index, the index, proper index with the quotation mark. Yes, यहाँ पे एक चीज important है. If your index is there in the string or character format, यानी आपका इंडेक्स either it is an alphabet or it is a group of alphabet, तो आप क्या करोगे? उस समय आपको सिंगल या डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा आपको यहाँ पे ऐड करना है. राइट? सपोज करते हैं कोई सीरीज ऐसी है आपके सामने. जस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव वन मोर एग्जांपल हियर. SER2, इट इज द सेकंड सीरीज वेरिएबल. 10, 20, 30. दीज आर द इंडेक्स पोजीशंस और यहाँ पे वैल्यूज हैं ये डी टाइप इंटीजर 64. ये सीरीज की बात करें, इट इज द सीरीज 2, that is the series variable and it is the new series variable. Here if you want to appear the data item that is there on the 20th index position, 10, 20, 30, these are the index positions. 100, 200, 300, these are the data elements. Now if you want to show what is there at the 20th index position, तो अब आपकी कमांड क्या यूज करनी है आपको? Here your command is print SER2 series variable and here just use 20 inside the bracket. क्या change है? Here there is no inverted comma, right? 10, 20, 30, these index positions are the numbered index. In the numbered index you cannot use inverted comma, but if your index is there in the string format or character format, then you just use inverted comma. Clear? This is the series printing by using index, by using label। हाँ एक और चीज देखो, अभी ये जो चीज दिया मैंने, इससे तो केवल एक ही डेटा एलिमेंट जो C के ऊपर वो अपीयर होगा। नाउ जस्ट सी माय नेक्स्ट कमांड इज, द कमांड इज प्रिंट एंड हियर SER, सीरीज के साथ मैंने ब्रैकेट लगाया, वन मोर ब्रैकेट, two brackets are there now with the series variable, and inside the internal bracket यहां पे मैंने दिया C D E, two brackets are closed, and then this small bracket is also closed। Just see, small bracket start, small bracket close, one big bracket, square bracket, the closing of square bracket, and inside the square bracket I am using C D E। ये मैं बात कर रहा हूं इसकी, right? Now computer will show three different data elements। कैसे इस सीरीज का आउटपुट आता है? If you apply this command, the output is this one, C 30, D 40, E 50, and then D type integer 64। This is the output if you use this command, series this one। Yeah, these questions are related in output generation। You can see 2 or 3 output generation questions are also there in the question paper, and in these questions you can see this type of command और इस command का output बनाइए, right? Now what will happen if I supply the same command with series 2 variable? Just see that is the series 2 variable, इस output को मैं हटा देता हूँ। Now my next object is, next command is, here it is print, then SER2 bracket here 10 comma 20 bracket close, this close and this close। क्या होगा सोचो, what will be the output? 10 20 series 2 variable, this is series 2 variable, 10 index is there, 20 index is there। इंडेक्स होना जरूरी है। अगर आपने कोई ऐसा इंडेक्स लिख दिया जो सीरीज में है ही नहीं, कंप्यूटर तुरंत एरर शो कर देगा, वो भी बताऊंगा मैं। जस्ट सी व्हाट इज द आउटपुट ऑफ दिस कमांड 10 20। अब आपके सामने क्या आउटपुट आएगा? 10 इंडेक्स 100 वैल्यू, 20 इंडेक्स 200 वैल्यू, डी टाइप integer 64। this will be the output if you apply the command on the series 2 variable, right? Now the main thing, कहां पे एरर आना है? just see print SER, this is the series variable, and you want to show what data item is there on the F index label, on the F index position। F है क्या इसमें? A B C D E, F is not there, so here if you supply this type of stupid commands, here computer generate error message। Clear? So here by this we have covered first 2 topics। Now the most important topic is string slicing। It is most important according to the practical questions, according to the output questions, what is there in this part? Slicing. The slicing concept is same that we applied already with the print command in the half yearly question paper also। A 2 marks question is related with this slicing concept। Slicing, we can use the slicing with the data series also, with the data frame also, right? Now the third concept is by using slicing। what is slicing? Just see here, suppose my first command is just wait, suppose my first command is this one, print here SER series, then brackets 1 colon 3। The slicing is based on the position of the element। position means forward indexing 0 1 2 3 4, backward indexing -1 -2 -3 -4 -5। so the slicing is based on the position of the data element। अभी मैं ये कमांड सप्लाई किया SER 1,3। so here first see, इसमें अपन क्या क्या लिख सकते हैं ब्रैकेट में। जस्ट सी, मैं इस ब्रैकेट को एक्सपेंड कर देता हूं। SP means start position, EP means ending position or stop position, and then step. Step means the continuation of your series, right? These are the proper fundamental part of this print command. Slicing का ये proper fundamental है. Now you can skip any one or you can skip any two. एक तो देना ही पड़ेगा. कैसे अभी चेक करते हैं. Now just see 1 3 मैंने क्या क्या सप्लाई किया 1 2 these two elements I have supplied in this command. Step मैंने छोड़ दिया. If you skip the step by default it is +1. +1 means 0 index value print होगी. फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पोजीशन वाला एलिमेंट प्रिंट होगा, सेकंड प्रिंट होगा, थर्ड प्रिंट होगा, फोर्थ कंटिन्यूएशन +1. अगर इसको स्किप कर देते हैं तो +1 चलता है. एंड देन द एंडिंग पोजीशन इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. ये भी ध्यान रखना. एंडिंग पोजीशन इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द आउटपुट. 1 से शुरू हुआ, 3 इज द एंडिंग पोजीशन. कंप्यूटर विल स्टॉप बिफोर 3. 1 is included. The starting position it is included. याद आ रहा है पुराना कॉन्सेप्ट. इट इज इंक्लूडेड. नाउ व्हाट विल बी देयर ऑन द मॉनिटर. कंप्यूटर क्या प्रिंट करेगा अभी इस कमांड से. कंप्यूटर फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पोजीशन प्रिंट करेगा और सेकंड इंडेक्स पोजीशन प्रिंट करेगा इस सीरीज की. नाउ व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड इंडेक्स पोजीशन. जस्ट सी फर्स्ट पे है B20 इट विल बी देयर ऑन द मॉनिटर. सेकंड पे है C30 इट विल बी देयर ऑन द मॉनिटर. नाउ D टाइप integer 64. This is the output of this particular slicing, right? Just check the output 1:3. This is known as slicing of the string object, right? अपन एक एक करके कमांड्स लेते हैं. क्या क्या उस कमांड में होता है. just see. Now my second command is this one. Print here SER2 colon. क्या क्या था. स्टार्ट पोजीशन, एंड पोजीशन, स्टेप. केवल फर्स्ट रखा, ये छोड़ दिया, ये छोड़ दिया. स्टेप जैसे ही हटाया कंप्यूटर विल टेक बाय डिफॉल्ट द स्टेप इज +1. एंडिंग पोजीशन जैसे ही छोड़ दी कंप्यूटर टेक द एंटायर सीरीज लास्ट तक चलेगा. right now here 2 colon means the output starts from the second position till the end. तो इसका क्या output आएगा. start from the second position is included, so the output of this concept it is C20. just see on the second position C, then D30 it is the on the third position, then E50. this will be the output of this command. clear. now just see अब मैंने क्या किया. अभी मैं ये दे देता हूं print SER bracket colon and here I just supply 2. what will happen. just see. और मैं एक और काम करता हूं. 2 means अभी मैंने start position छोड़ दी. when I skip the start position computer will take the 0th position as the starting. 2 से just पहले आके कंप्यूटर रुक जाएगा. now what is the output. A10 it is the 0th position. B20 it is the first position. second position is will not include the output. तो इसको छोड़ो. 0 और 1 ये दो आपके सीरीज एलिमेंट इस कमांड से प्रिंट हो गए. राइट. कई बार क्वेश्चन क्या आता है. print the series element alternatively one after another. means first position element should be there on the monitor, third position element should be there, fifth position element, seventh position element. ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन आता है. तो ये कैसे सॉल्व करोगे. just see चेक करो. print SER start from 0 and set कौन सी लास्ट पोजीशन. it is 4 मतलब 5 पे एंड होगा. 5 देन कॉलम मैंने यहाँ पे स्टेपिंग दे दी 2 की. क्या हो रहा है देखो. just see start from 0 0th position प्रिंट होगी. then +2 second position एलिमेंट प्रिंट होगा. then +2 fourth position एलिमेंट प्रिंट होगा. हो गया ना. अल्टरनेट एलिमेंट. और अपन इसको ये भी बोल सकते हैं these are the even elements of the series, right? even position element of the series 0 to 4 these items are there. अब इसका आउटपुट क्या आ रहा है. आउटपुट आ रहा है 0वीं पोजीशन पे A10, सेकंड पोजीशन पे C30, फिफ्थ फोर्थ पोजीशन पे E50. This is the output of that particular command. D type equal to integer 64. Just check this one, right? So the string slicing, or we can say slicing concept, is also applicable with the series object. So these three different commands, these three different concepts that are related with accessing or printing the data series, right? I hope you understand the concept. Thank you very much.